Sometimes hope comes in the smallest of sizes. Sometimes it comes in the shape of a bee. A decade ago, I became a beekeeper after learning of the mysterious deaths of bees worldwide. For an insect so small, but so crucial to 1/3 of the world's food, the bee's disappearance would be devastating. It's remarkable that when bees are added to gardens and to farms, not only does the quality of fruits and vegetables increase, but the yield increases by up to 71%. Today, 24 million Americans live in a food desert, an area that's nearly a mile away from the nearest supermarket. Imagine if bees were placed on farms and community gardens in food deserts. Every person deserves access to healthy food. Bees are our most precious pollinator. So with hope and a vision, I founded the Honeybee Conservancy. Our Sponsor a Hive program places free hives and bees in community gardens and urban farms that provide healthy food to local residents.
With the launch of our See and Do Good initiative, we are focusing on sustainability, sustainable materials and packaging, as well as our partnership with the Honeybee Conservancy. This is all to promote an eco-friendly lifestyle. More than half of the materials used to create this polymer are renewable and organically sourced from the seeds of the castor bean oil plant, which are pollinated by bees. At Neubau Eyewear, we are committed to making not only sustainable products, but also packaging. Our eyewear packaging and cleaning cloths are made from renewable materials. New York City is home to more than 700 urban farms and community gardens, many of which give healthy produce to their local residents. We are proud of our sponsorship of 2 urban beehives in New York City as part of our See and Do Good initiative.
We are here at the Solar Roof Porch, our net zero energy roof pavilion at the Spitzer School of Architecture. It is complemented by a rooftop garden which houses our bees. We are very proud of our beehive, our collaboration with Neubau Eyewear, and the bees will increase the yield of our garden because they are pollinators. And the bees will also be important for our students to understand that sustainability is comprehensive.
Smiling Hogshead Ranch was started in 2011 on an abandoned piece of land owned by the MTA. Now we're a thriving urban farm growing fruits, vegetables, mushrooms, and now we have our very first beehive. The bees are awesome creatures who will help us pollinate our crops, giving us more delicious fruits and vegetables, and they'll open up a whole world of possibilities for the ranch.